Hello, my name is Barbara Harvey. I'm an internet marketer. I have been and still am being mentored by Alex Jeffries. But my aim in internet marketing is to help all new internet marketers by showing them or giving them video tutorials and informational products that will help them in their starting up their business. Now, this tutorial is showing you how to design a simple squeeze page using free software. Squeeze pages do not have to be all singing or dancing. In many cases, too much information will put people off. You need to tell your prospective subscribers what you're giving away, list the benefits this product will give them, and make a call to action. This is the sign-up form to capture the email address. So to begin with, you'll need to download the free software I was talking about called NView. So if you go to nview.com, you'll find where to download it, and then when you do download it, you'll see this work area when you open it up. So to start with, we just go onto here and click center, so that what we're going to do next is all going to be in the center. Then click on table and just one of the little squares there, which will make sure that what you're going to do next is going to be in the right place. If you go to Format, Table Cell Properties, and then make sure horizontal is in the center, go to the background color, click on this, pick a background color. I'm just going to pick on the blue for the time being. OK. Apply. OK. Now if you get here and you drag that down, that'll be your header. But of course we now need to have some text in there. So again, if you go to Format, Font, and pick whichever font you want, I'm going to go with Arial for now, and then put in for example free, I'll show you how to change the colour in a minute, free ebook or video tutorial or software or whatever it is you're going to do. So go back to Format, Text Colour, pick on white, OK. Then obviously that's going to be too small, so if you just go here and just keep clicking until it's the size you want, and then we'll put a tagline in which says we certainly don't want it that size. Discover how to, whatever they're going to discover how to by getting your free product. You want to take that down because that's too big. Right, that will do nicely. Then if you go back here, again you're still in the center, and then you want to put in table again, but this time we're going to go with 2 cells. Now if you see there's this big gap here, so if you just click in there and then click delete, it'll take the other part up to there. Now if you click, so you make sure that this table's highlighted, go back to Format, Table Cell Properties. Now you want the width to be a percent of the table, and you want it to be 50%. Then if you go Apply, OK, these will stay as 50%. They won't go flying around anywhere. Now in this side of the table, we're going to indent slightly, and then this is where you want to put your bullet points. So if you put, and these are going to be like you will benefit with this product by, and then list your bullet points. So bullet point 1, bullet point 2, etc. Now over on this side, again if you go to Format, Table Cell Properties, and vertical, click top, Apply, OK, and then this will be here. You can bring it down 1, but you don't want it all the way down there. Here you can indent again here and then put 3 X's. This will all become clear in a moment. If you go down to the bottom, click here again, insert table, and you only want one cell, and if you go into here again, you want to get rid of that, and then here you go format, table cell properties, background, pick your blue, OK, apply, and then in here you can put and if you go back again into table cell properties, you must make sure that, which I didn't, that that's in the center, and then here you insert characters and symbols. As it happens, this has come up here for me, but you want the copyright sign, insert, close it, down, format, text color, white, OK, and then you can put in your copyright will be 2010, your domain name.com, and then all rights reserved. Now if that's too small for you, then you can just click on the front and just do that, and you've got a bigger footer. Now why did I put these X's here? Well, if you go to your Aweber form that you will have set up to create your list, and once you've gone all through and you've picked the form that you want to go in, and you click the next step, you'll come to this, and it says I will install my form. So if you click on that, and what you're after is this JavaScript snippet. Come over that way a little bit so you can see what we're looking at. So if you just click here, highlight it, right click, copy, close you down, go back to here. Now go into source, and now you're looking for your X's. There we go. So if you just highlight those X's and then do Control and V, that's where your code is put in. Go back to normal. Now this isn't going to show up until it's your form isn't going to show up until you've put it up onto the web, you've published it to the web. But that is basically, obviously you would have this bigger, you know, because otherwise it's going to be a little bit small, and obviously the form will take up an awful lot of that. I mean, you can click preview, but it still won't show you what it looks like. Now you can publish it straight from here if you know your FTP, which you can get from your hosting company, or you can use whatever FTP program that you use. So that basically is designing a squeeze page, a very simple squeeze page, but it's very effective. Well, I hope you found that useful. If you want any more help with it, or you need any you've got any problems at all, then just leave a comment underneath this video, and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching.